Whether you're a testing lab, research lab, CRO, or biorepository, you generate data. But that's not all. You also need to manage samples, inventories, consents, and reports. Managing data manually is laborious and error-prone, making data retrieval difficult. So what can you do? It's simple. Just get rid of spreadsheets and your homegrown IT tools, and switch to an automated solution that is quick to deploy and light on your pocket. Introducing CloudLIMS, a cloud-based laboratory information management system offered as SaaS. It takes all the data you generate and puts it on the cloud, providing a flexible, intuitive interface that eliminates the need for expensive servers and database experts. All you need is a browser to access the product hosted on a cloud. But that's not all. CloudLIMS offers 24-hour global accessibility, guaranteed operational efficiency, and a platform for collaboration. CloudLIMS is secure and reliable, with automatic daily data backups, foolproof security, and adherence to regulatory guidelines. It provides a completely configurable user-based access control. CloudLIMS easily accommodates workflow changes, saving costly customization. It scales as your business grows, so you pay only when you add capacity. So you no longer have to worry about security, IT maintenance, hiring personnel, or purchasing expensive infrastructure. All you need is CloudLIMS and an internet-ready device. Let us help you manage your data and operations for you, so that you can focus on what you do best. CloudLIMS, a cloud-based SaaS LIMS.